Many words naturally belong together in English, and using them correctly makes sentences sound more fluent. Today, we will look at common collocations that help you speak more clearly. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Make. The verb make is used when creating, planning, or deciding something. I make breakfast every morning before going to work. We make plans for the weekend together. You make a list before shopping for groceries. They make noise when they play music loudly. He makes a mistake sometimes when writing in English. She makes a phone call to her mother in the evening. It makes a difference when you practice English every day. Making decisions and creating things are common in daily life. Try using make when talking about planning or creating something. Take. The verb take is used when receiving, accepting, or carrying out an action. I take a shower before going to work. We take a break when we feel tired. You take notes during the lesson. They take a taxi when they need to go somewhere quickly. He takes responsibility for his work at the office. She takes pictures when she travels. It takes time to learn a new language. Taking action happens every day. Use take when talking about rest, responsibilities, or movement. Do. The verb do is used for activities, tasks, or work. I do my homework before dinner. We do exercise at the gym. You do your best when learning English. They do business with different companies. He does the dishes after eating. She does housework on Saturdays. It does nothing if you do not use it properly. Doing tasks and activities is an essential part of life. Use do when talking about work, studies, or health. Have. The verb have is used when talking about experiences, relationships, or possessions. I have lunch with my co-workers at noon. We have an idea for a new project. You have fun playing games with your friends. They have a chance to meet new people. He has a problem with his phone. She has a dream about traveling the world. It has an effect on how people learn. Having experiences in relationships is important for conversation. Use have when talking about these moments. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.